Everyone, my name is Cindy and I'm Superhairpieces marketing coordinator, and I'm here to walk you through how you can check inventory at home. So, if you are calling in for inventory and you realize that the phone lines are too busy and you just need something quick to know whether we have it in stock or we don't have it in stock, we have two ways of showing you how you can retrieve this information simply by going onto our website. So, I'm just going to walk you through. I'm going to the men's in stock, and I'm going to pick the first unit, which is the M100. And here you will see, of course, the photos. And in this section, right under the SKU, right under the price, is the men's hair color. This area, you get to choose your hair color option. So, for example, I want a hair system that is black and solid color. So I'm going to pick black and solid color. And then the picture on the left is going to show me what that color looks like in this model. Okay. And then right under the SKU again, you're going to see how much inventory we do have in stock. Now, this number right here will not let you know whether it's coming from the US or coming from Canada. So if you are, for example, one of our local clients in Canada and you need to pick up a hair system, this section right here is not going to inform you whether it is in Canada or it's in the US, and therefore you would have to give us a call just to confirm that it's here. Moving down to this section right here, it will let you know what's available and what's not available. So if I needed a solid color in a natural black, it's going to tell me that it's sold out. And if I need a color 1 with 10% gray, it's going to tell me it's sold out. So this area is also good to let you know what's available and what's not available. But to have a more detailed inventory, we do have the second option of checking inventory. So if you just scroll down just a tad bit, you will see this area right here. Now, this area is again specific to the hair system that you clicked on. And I'm just going to go to the inventory list tab, and it's going to show me all the colors on this column. And these right here is going to tell me how much inventory is in each warehouse. So in Canada, for the Jet 1 Black, we have 3 in Canada and 7 in the US. And then on the last column over here, it's going to give me some estimated dates of when certain hair systems will be arriving. So again, this is just estimated, it's not guaranteed. It really depends on when the factory will finish the hair system or if there's any delays in terms of shipping. So we don't guarantee that these dates are 100% accurate and that they're going to come exactly on these dates. We do give it about a week or two before or after. But again, you can just give yourself an estimate of when to expect these units back in inventory. So there you go. These are two ways to check inventory with Superhairpieces. This will help avoid any wait time holds that you have if you are calling in with us. This will definitely save you so much time just checking in on your own. And again, if you like this video and you prefer having little small tutorials like this sent out to you, let us know. We are more than welcome to help you through these tutorials on our webpage as well. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day.